In just 1 hour and 40 minutes, we were able to complete this stencil concrete installation from start to finish. Now let me show you how we done it. Now we start by screeding and leveling off the concrete as flat as possible with our screed bars. Then we trowel the surface smooth so it's ready to take our stencil templates, which come in over 30 variations. So you've got a pattern to work with any potential style the customer could have in mind. Now once they're applied to the surface and just troweled in, it's then time to apply the colour hardener. Now the colour hardener comes in 30 variations again, from slate grey to greens to any even custom colours that a customer could want. We cast that into the top, we trowel it, we texture it to give it all the beautiful effects of natural stone, and then it's time to remove those stencils. Now all this happened on this project in 1 hour and 40 minutes, but make sure you watch till the end because there is a big surprise coming. We were shocked, we was gone for 40 minutes, and when we come back, big surprise. So stay tuned to watch that at the end of the video. So as you can see, the final stages are going on now. We're now troweling a knockdown texture, so we've got that rough and smooth distressed stone effect, and then it's time to pull those stencils out, exposing the grout line beneath. That will give you all the effects of grouted cobbles, grouted paving, but without the high price tag and without the time consuming aspect that is notorious in the natural stone industry. Now be sure to watch this next section, as I think you'll get a laugh out of it. Thank you.
That's a nice driveway. Red barrier tape. What does my Amazon delivery driver handbook say? I'm gonna go to the neighbor. I'm gonna walk around. Yes, we'll put it with the neighbor. You know what? It can't hurt. I'm just gonna go underneath it. What could be the big deal? Oh, no, no. Here we go. Back in the van. I was never here. I will deliver tomorrow.
Now luckily we just went for lunch and was able to come back and repair it before the concrete had set. But we know for next time to make things idiot proof. Now if you like this video, want to see more like it, click this video here on your right. Thank you for watching.